What is going on, you guys? It is Invest with Trev.
I'm Jake with Drive By Home Buyers.
You guys, we're in front of a beautiful Novation in sunny Chino, California. We got his first California flip coming on right here. This is gonna be a gorgeous project. We got funding greenlit today. Behind us, you might not see much, but what I see is a lot of dough and a lot of opportunity, and I can't wait for you guys to be able to see it, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, so the same property right here. This is the side, check it out real quick, right? The fascia's gonna need some work. The whole damn shaboozle is gonna need some work, all right? You got some stuff here on the property. Don't let this deter you. This is the thing. We're gonna get all this removed. I have my contractor's gonna take care of everything. I wanna show you how deep this property goes though. So as we come in here, we're gonna take all of this brush, we're gonna remove it, we're gonna put desert scape here. We're gonna put a lot of pebbles, some rock, mainly dirt, not really gonna sod it, no grass. Obviously update our door. They used to have cows here and it extended all the way down here. And so it's funny when people look at stuff like that. They get intimidated. You know, it's a big project, but remember, that's why we outsource. I have my guy who's here is gonna be able to take care of everything. So don't think a project is too big, because stuff like this can get taken care of fairly easily. I mean, I don't know if it should be before or after.
Before. If it's cleaned up,
if you want them before the fourth, do they have the? Okay, good.
I mean, we'll
So we gotta stage it.
depending on how quickly you get done.
We can get it done.
Check this out. This is one of the Novation plays that we had that I was explaining to you guys, that we got a property under contract. So this property actually we got for $400,000. Come in with me. Let me show you a little bit. So what we did here is we're gonna do a remodel it and get it all going, right? And this is where we have a lot of our investors, team up with us. Here we teamed up with a few investors for our cash to fill up, the gap and to get, obviously this property up and going at a 15% return. This house is going to eventually sell for $700,000. And this is amazing, guys. I mean, we're doing a whole, remodel, gut, everything, not completely reconstruction, but you guys see the idea of what we've got going on. So again, if you guys something that you might be interested in teaming up with us or even joining on team and want to see how we're doing these projects, DM us today.
All right. Hey, what's going on, guys? How you doing? How you doing? Hey, I'm good. Sorry if we get your way real quick. We're gonna be out. What a difference, huh?
So different. And so quick too.
These guys are rocking it. Watch out. You can do for listing photos.
Yeah.
So when you come in, if we have permittable plans for that, because it's already approved for that type of zoning,
Yeah,
just say
yeah.
if you come in, you can build your own.
Up to 4, right? Isn't this like?
Yeah, it's up to 4 on this home, dude.
That's investors delight, as we call
That's
it.
what we
Like
say.
investors delight.
Really legit. Hey baby, this house is gonna pay for your college. All right. So I do know this is where the water heater is gonna go. We're building out a shed on this side, and then we're having a sliding glass door on this side. You guys, I know it looks like a lot, but remember when I first did that video with Jake, we did go on the inside and it was horrible. Bad. When it was looking on the inside, you can see exactly how quick that turnaround is. Back here, I would estimate roughly about 30 to 35 tons of trash. Show them real quick back here, man. And most of that is that truck.
We had 4 other trucks on this lot.
We had 4 other
2 of them
vehicles.
just got removed today.
Well, it is Invest with Trev here in beautiful Chino, and we just had docs signed today. I am with the lovely Drive By Home Buyers, okay? We partnered on this bad boy. I want you guys to come take a look on the inside. Remember, when I was here with Jacob initially, I said that we smelled dollars. We thought $750, but this bad boy sold for about $820,000. $70,000 more than what we projected because we're just that good. So come on inside, take a look at it, get some B-roll, tell us what you guys think. We're gonna pass this off to Lewis, and he's gonna discuss the deal, how we got it, why we started partnering together, and why Novations are literally the best thing ever. Come on in.
So this deal, I actually reached out to the seller about 2 years ago, and she was on a cold calling list, and she didn't answer, so I sent her a text. I came out to the property back in 2019, 2020. Didn't work then, and little did we know, a couple years later, she'd holler my line, and we put together a Novation deal on this. We funded the deal with private capital from one of our private investors, and we fixed it up, listed it on the market, and here we are today.
The rest is history, baby. Come on and take a look.
Boom.
When I started in this journey, I was initially doing it by myself, doing a couple a quarter, which led to, multiple a year. But as I came into it and realized I had a massive passion behind the moral and ethic understanding of how Novations and creative finance can change families' lives, I decided I want to be able to take this and 10x it to the next level. Reaching out, I was able to find insane people to come in, buy directly into my vision, and just understand the foundation that we're going to be building and the longevity of what kind of market that we can create. And since then, we've been able to lock up multiple deals a month. We're amassing a huge brand that's coming directly into the creative finance space, and we were having so much fun doing it. It's been so fun to be able to really lean on all of these people that I rely on. I am only as good as the people around me, and I will tell you, I have the best people in my circle, and that circle is continuously growing. So if you want to be a part of the Buyer Beater team, if you are a part of the Buyer Beater team, just know that we are changing lives, we're changing the way the game is played, and I cannot wait to continue to move this along.